The UN Charter gives the Security Council primary responsibility for maintaining international peace and security. The Council may convene at any time whenever peace is threatened. In a recent meeting on 24 March 2022, India, along with 12 other UN Security Council members, abstained on a resolution by Russia on the humanitarian crisis in Ukraine. The draft resolution by Russia was co-sponsored by Syria, North Korea, and Belarus. It failed to get adopted in the Council on Wednesday as it did not get the required 9 yes votes to pass. A Security Council resolution needs at least 9 votes in favor and no vetoes by Russia, China, Britain, France, or United States to be adopted. Russia and China voted in favor of resolution while there were no countries voting against. India and the remaining Security Council members abstained. The Russian resolution, which made no reference to Moscow's role in the crisis of Ukraine, called upon all parties concerned to allow safe and unhindered passage to destinations outside of Ukraine, including to foreign nationals without discrimination, and facilitate safe and unhindered access of humanitarian assistance to those in need in and around Ukraine, taking into account the particular needs of women, girls, men and boys, older persons, and persons with disabilities. It is this lack of acknowledgement from Russia's side on their culpability in the present issues that provoked many nations to abstain their votes. While other council members made statements after vote on the resolution, India did not make any statement. India had previously abstained on 2 occasions in Security Council and once in General Assembly on resolutions on Russia's invasion of Ukraine.